So this is my brand new TV and we're gonna go
Unboxing! Yay!
we're gonna unbox this LG Smart TV.
Alright, so that's you got to open it, AJ. You know how to open it?
Yeah.
Okay, I give you this small cutter.
I have a cutter too. Yeah, I have a cutter type.
You don't have. It's with me.
Why you took it?
Okay, no, never mind. Here, you can use this one.
Okay, so instead we're just gonna use a scissor because we don't have any blade.
Cutter. You cannot see the cutter. So yeah, you start opening it.
We're gonna be doing this.
You know. Yes.
Okay, there.
Okay. And then.
We're gonna open this.
Wait.
Wait. And then here too.
Cut mo to. Pag ganun. Side by side. Ang kanta ni, Yana Grande. Side by side. Oh, mali yan. Napapato sa'yo yung knife. Yung scissor. Uh-huh. Okay.
Okay, let's take out the phone. Or whatever this is called.
Okay. Let me help you. Pull it out. 1, 2, 3. Okay.
Wait. Yeah. Like that.
Like that. Okay.
This is my dad.
Yeah. Yeah. And Angelina, you unbox it, please. That's your personal TV, okay?
I think we should put this onto bed first.
No, just remove that 1, 2, 3. Okay. Your
Let's
mom
be
gonna
careful.
help you. Hi. That's her mother. Okay. And then after that, get the manual inside. There's a remote also. Here's the remote and the manual. How to use it. And wait. Okay. Something is inside. There's electric wires. Okay.
Okay,
Now,
so
now put the TV down now in your room.
okay.
Table room. Okay.
Okay.
So you remove the plastic. All right. Okay. Now yes. Where's the stand?
Yeah.
There you are. There you stand. Just open it. You see,
Hey, guys.
scissor.
There you go. This is the remote, guys.
Okay. The remote.
Let's open the remote.
What kind of
Yeah.
battery that one need? AAA? It has a battery
Triple
already.
A.
It's a have a pre battery. It has a pre battery. Can you see? Oh,
It's not free battery.
oh, it's not yet.
Yeah. Maybe it's in the pack though.
Okay.
Wait.
Oh, there, inside. There's a
Yeah.
pre battery.
I told you.
So do not close it first. Put the battery.
These are the instructions.
Okay, manual. Okay. Alright.
Ano?
Manual.
Yeah. Okay lang.
No, maybe it's not inside.
Uy. Here. Guys, we're gonna cut this battery open.
Ano to pag ganyan? Pag ganyan ito.
Huh?
Pag ganyan.
Yeah. Okay, guys.
Ano yun? Ba't ano?
No stand? Nothing?
Okay. We're gonna open this.
Oh, here.
Ano naman pala eh. Andun, nilagay sa supot kasama.
And then you have, there's kasama with
Okay. So we help each other to put screw. Okay, I have a screw here. Right? And just remove this.
How big is this?
You need to put, look, here, oh.
Yeah, you need to screw. Okay.
Okay, so first,
Dito lang.
okay, tayo do this.
Huwag lang kami. Yan, dito lang. Okay, yan. So, we will just fix it. See? Now, okay, turn down. Okay?
Down. Be careful.
Careful. So, we need to find the way. Okay.
Kids, don't try this at home. You may need the adult. Ganito ba? Okay.
Yes. Okay. More ones there.
Okay, the remote is ready.
And it's very easy. Just remove this from the plastic, the screw. These two pieces only.
I'll do it.
Do it. Can you open with the chisel?
Yeah.
Very easy. You don't use your tip or your teeth. Because it has a chemical,
Here.
factory, you know. Make sure it's sanitize
Here
everything.
you go.
Okay. Here you go. Give me the screwdriver. Okay, right.
Screw it.
Okay. Mataas na ito. Ayan. Okay.
Okay.
The other one
Here you go.
is moving. It must be not moving. Start it. Okay, here. Finally, it's not moving. Yeah, see?
Yeah, it's
tight,
not moving.
tight already.
Okay, I get the
The other
camera
one?
and then he does it there.
Okay. Mhm.
Okay.
And we will test it if it is moving. It is open. If not, we will return it back. Okay. This is for my daughter. My daughter's birthday. Okay.
It's not moving, Dada.
No.
It's
Are
not
you sure?
moving. See?
Sure?
Yeah,
Okay.
it's not moving anymore.
I can feel it, but still. All right. So we turn it.
Let's take this off. Oh.
Okay.
Okay.
All right.
Wait.
See?
Let's make a transformation. 3, 2, 1.
Okay, guys. So now, yeah,
We-
now that the smart TV is
Already
standing.
We're gonna take this off and then plug it to the TV. So it can have electric. Wait, I think I'm doing it wrong. Yeah. I'm not. There. Do we want to take this?
Yeah.
Okay, plug it. I will do it
Okay.
to you.
All right. In here only. Yeah.
Yeah.
Let me find it for you.
It's there.
Where is it?
I think there. Oh wait, no.
There.
Okay.
See?
So guys, we have this. So we're gonna just plug it there. But we're not really gonna waste electricity though.
No. This is. This is LED here.
Sorry. Okay, we're gonna plug it now.
Where's the remote?
Here, I already set it.
May retarded ba dun?
Hi guys, this is us.
So, yeah. Yeah. There's the remote.
It's starting
Is that better?
now. Or do you want to take this off first?
Let me see. Yeah.
Okay, let's take it off.
Yes. Press OK to the button. Okay. Where's the OK button in the button? Can you see? What it said?
Press the OK button.
Where's the OK button?
Where's the OK button?
Where?
Or OK button, wheel.
On your remote.
Oh, this one. Do you mean this? Yeah, this one.
Mm-hmm.
Why is it not opening? It's not opening.
Did you put the battery already?
Yeah, I did look.
Maybe.
Or maybe I did wrong.
In the wrong way. Maybe positive and negative. Okay. Wait, if you put it, make sure there is a sign. This
Yeah,
is the
there's a
positive. Okay, positive is there. This one is positive.
Yeah.
This one is negative. Okay.
Yeah.
Do not forget. Okay. Wherever you go, whatever you do, make sure you read the manual. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, now we are gonna start it.
Okay.
Wait.
Great. See?
Oh, I just pressed something wrong.
English.
Okay, English. English country is
English.
Cambodia. Why is it up there? Okay, we'll just put it like this. Muna. Yeah, we're gonna put it that.
If I were you, you go to what country did you put?
There's no Cambodia here.
So what did you put?
So I just put the no country.
No country. Okay.
Yeah. There's Philippines though. Okay. Now next we're gonna connect to our
Connect to
Wi-Fi.
the Wi-Fi. Okay.
Okay, we will not say our Wi-Fi, but I'm gonna pause it first.
Hello.
Hello guys. We already finished with the password.
Okay, and then next.
We just skip it.
Skip it.
Yeah. Touch the. Dad, what did you do? I told you skip.
Skip. Okay.
What is it, Kamay?
Kamay.
Kamay language. Khmer.
Skip. Just skip. You must agree to terms and conditions. Okay, then agree. Agree. Select. Type. Touch. Select. TV only. Next. What are you doing? Stand. Do stand because it's standing right now.
Okay.
Next. Just next. Okay.
Digital only search.
Yeah. It only has that option.
I thought this one. This one.
Yeah. Just do that. It's only the option. Okay, now next. Okay, skip.
Wait. You're tuning with TV. And there's no antenna.
Done.
Okay. Okay na.
Sorry. Yay!
No, yay, no program.
Look at that. That's pretty.
YouTube.
Okay. So guys. Huh? Okay, wait. It's gonna load again. Not programmed. What's that mean?
It's programmed in the TV, not in the Wi-Fi.
Wi-Fi tayo eh.
Dapat sa Wi-Fi. Anyway, okay na yan.
To watch live TV programs must be tuned. Do you want to start program tuning now? If you are using stuff, no.
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 Press E.
Look, Ty, can you help? Wait, guys, we'll be right back. Hello, guys. We fixed it.
So, okay. Success. Bye, guys.
Bye, guys. Hope you had a fun time.
This is AJ's birthday unboxing.
Hope you guys have a fun time watching this video. Please subscribe and like. Bye. Say bye.
Bye, 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 bye.
Bye, bye. Bye, guys. We love you.